Can a tiny test really tell if you're pregnant? It's not magic, it's science. Let's see how pregnancy tests work. When a fertilized egg implants in the uterus, the body starts producing HCG, a special hormone found in urine. Pregnancy tests detect HCG using special antibodies that react to it, causing a test line to appear. 1 line? Not pregnant. 2 lines? Pregnant. Some digital tests even show the words pregnant or not pregnant. No lines? The test is invalid, and you need to try again. Testing too early may give a false negative. It's best to test after a missed period for accurate results. And don't check too late, evaporation lines can cause confusion. Pregnancy tests are 99% accurate when used correctly. If positive, visit a doctor for confirmation. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe for more science videos.